havafanane isungatidanane mwana iwe vanhu havafanane isungatidanane. Akandiudza uyu zvakandibata moyo mwana uyu, akandiudza zvakandibata moyo mwana uyu, mararamiro ake aive kujegera jegera nekubatanidza, makuriro ake aive kujegera jegera. Boom. So kujegera isong inotaura about single mothers nema-divorcees. So what usually happens is people vanoita yaya yatinoti stereotyping. What is stereotyping? They judge all men the same or all women the same. So imagine someone akaona a single mother, they run into conclusions zekuti ari loose or akarara nevarume zvimwe zvaizvo zvekuti akazosiwa. They don't know kuti some of these single mothers came from abusive relationships or they are rape victims. So those single mothers, they are there in our lives and we just take them for granted and we don't value them. Same with other men who are single or who are divorcees. People just laugh at them. Akaenda chinoripota nyaya yake kumapurisa, vanhu vanotoseka kuti wari wane mukadzi chichi. But those guys are coming from abusive relationships. And now kujegera comes in the sense yakuti munhu uyu angari in this relationship zvekujegera zvenzara zvekungotamburira zvezvo kuti angoramba achita make ends meet in this relationship, but it's abusive. So that very same person, munhu iye akazobuda mu that marriage or that relationship akati a single person, if approached by another person to say let's try and make this work, munhu iye does not trust that person, and those people avacha believe in love, they don't trust men. So now the song comes in and says, nditorine dzangu mfunge kusazviratidza kutosimba ufunge, mira ndidzidedemure ndini sarungano iwe itidze funde, ini ndakatomboonawo ndondo. So what is basically being said here mu verse is I have my own problems, I have my own challenges, and these challenges have forced me to be where I am today, but that doesn't stop me from falling in love. So the guy is basically saying, let's fall in love. Yes, I have my own problems, I have my own issues in my own marriage, and I've decided kuti ndibude imomo because I'm being abused by my wife, but that doesn't stop me from falling in love again. Ndipo mukana tidanane zviwe zviri mberi. We don't know what the future holds, but you can't judge all men the same. I was abused, you were abused, but let's try and work this together and make a different love story. So that's basically kujegera. Tinenge chingoti vanhu ngavasagare ma-abusive marriages, vanhu ngavasagare ma-abusive relationships, and there are better people out there. Let's give them a chance. In this month of love, February is the month of love. Let's try to love one another and live peacefully. I love you. Rascarl Deya signing out. Akandiudza uyu zvakandibata moyo mwana uyu.